What's up, guys? So today I got 3 floors of VCT, trash areas. I apologize, my camera is zoomed in. I have an issue with my camera on my iPhone. Just to get an idea what they all look like. They all look like this. These floors are already shot, so there's only so much we can do to it. All right, so I got everything swept up, moved out the way mostly. I'm doing this thing in increments because I'm at a community center. Senior living center. So these elevators are locked. It's just for the maintenance people. Moved everything out there. That way we can focus on this one section at a time. Yeah, these floors are very bad. So my game plan is this. I'm gonna scrub it, hit it with some stripper, hit it a few times, and then throw a sealer down and then put some wax on there because this floor is neglected. From what the residents told me, it's been 5 years since this thing's been cleaned and waxed. And by the looks of it, you can tell it's bad. All right, guys, let me start getting my prep work and stimulate. Put my stripper down very lightly because I'm on the 3rd floor. So I'm about to do this piece at a time, so bad. Yeah, I apologize, my camera zoomed in. So I really haven't made any videos this past month. But I figured I'll do one for a floor. We've been doing a lot of carpet cleaning, so I don't record everything. Only like the dirty jobs for the most part. You can vacuum this up.
Can I get set up?
kind of scrub it for a second time. Camera. Yeah, man, it looks worse on the camera. Alright, so he's extracting on that side. I got my scissors sitting over there. A lot of it's coming up. I went over it 3 times. Very light on the stripper because I'm on the 3rd floor. So that's scrubbed 3 times on that section. Alright guys, you get the idea. Stand by there guys. So, finishing up my 3rd strip. This is the section right here. I used some Zep floor strippers, but I used a more potent one I got locally. In case I ran out, I brought that. But Speedy stripper, what I'm using is actually pulling up a lot better than that. So I'm gonna stick with this till I run out. Got about 4 gallons, so that should be enough, but we'll see. Alright, so here's what we've done so far. Put this down 3 times. This is good over here. This is all set. That's all set. Gonna do this part right here. Here's the results. I put 2 coats of sealer down and 4 coats of wax. So it looks a lot better. I don't know, for some reason on the camera it looks splotchy, but it's really not. I'll throw some pictures in here. What part?
It's 20 years old.
No, I know it's 20 years old. I don't know, I said it earlier, but the residents told me it was, last time it was professionally done was like 5 years ago. Again, I'm at a elderly community, so I gotta take that with a grain of salt. But it looks like it hasn't been done in a long time. They have a cleaner here, but I don't know if they're just dropping and picking. Mop bucket, just washing and waxing. So I look like it because this area here looked like somebody waxed around it, but could have been from back then. Alright guys, I got 3 more floors. I am not going to do it today, but I'm going to make a 3-part series on this. And I'll put some videos in it, alright? Guys, stand by and catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.